Looks like the battery is gonna die sooner or later. As I was saying, where I was in the first floor, so now we're heading up the stairs. Here we go. This is the second floor. Interestingly, the lobby is actually here. Those are the front doors of the building, believe it or not. This is pretty amazing. This is pretty much the lobby. When I came in, they were actually playing some pretty fantastic music. Some sort of Indian music, American Indian music, mixed in with howling of the wolves. So I'm just gonna step out for a moment so I can show you real quick how the outside looks like. This is pretty amazing. Oh, you should be able to hear the music actually. Well, it looks like they changed it. The shuttle that I came in was actually that. It's pretty nice. Oh, there's the music that I mentioned. Huh. Oh well. Alright, we're gonna go head back to room. Oh, and apparently for safety, they actually lock the doors at